Hello, just going to do a video here on somebody was wondering how to get a model role in here. Also to change the number 1 to an ONE, so I have the word instead of the number, which I don't know how you would do that. But regarding the model role, if you go into your drawing process, so this is for a stair, so if you go into the drawing process, the drawing style, this is the one here, stair. So I've just added a scale to it, but if you look in here, you can see there's no model role, so that's not an option. So there's no model role. So just do OK. Actually, let's go back in there. If we apply this, use this, and apply, you can see the scale will come in here. So the scale is 1.5 inches. That kind of looks like 11, but that's 1.5 inches. It's the 1. So regarding the model role, what I would do is put in a token here somewhere. So I've set up another one. So if you see, if I go in here to assembly B, C, ADM test, and open this one, you can see in here, if I go to block editor, you can see here I have role for the model role, project, part number, material, coding. I have a couple other ones down here. In case I want to use them, I can just drag them in there off the page. So what we can do is, if we copy this up here, save, and then save that, close, go to this ST11, labels and dimensions, and go to change prototype file, and then we want to pick the ADM test, OK, and it'll switch it. Now just delete the extra drawn, delete those, and if you come down here you can see there's a stringer there, and up here there's also a stringer. So what I would do is, you can have it on it twice, so your model role will come in for that piece every time. And then what you could do is you could just drag, well, you can't just drag it up because it's inside in this title block, sorry. So what you could do is just have it there, and then you could just move your title down. And you can have stringer, or you can just do this. That's just a workaround. That's probably a better way to do it, but hopefully that helps. I did not type this in. This is the token for model role, so it would come onto your page every time. Alright, hope that helps. Thank you. So I've already added the stringer here as a token, which is part of the title block. So that works that way, and you have the model role comes in here. And then another way you can do it is, we can change this label which comes in. So if we go to our drawing style, and we want to go object presentation, this one here, and we want to go to main part beam all, main part beam, and we want to go to this label here, and we want to change this to, I believe I have already created one with a model role. I have model role here. You can see it says role here. The text is probably not big enough, so what I'll do is I'll just change the size for now. Usually I would create a new one and call it model role with a 1/4 inch after it, so I would know. But after I do this, I'll just change it back to 1/8 again, because I won't use this myself. Apply, use, oh, missed, sorry. So let's go back in here, use, select. And you can see that comes in with stringer. So all we need to do now is we can change this again. We can get rid of the label if you want, or get rid of the leader line, I should say. No leader line, and I don't want to place it along the object. Apply, use. And there you go. And then you can just move that wherever you want. So that'll come in. So it'll just mean you won't have to write it in. You can, now we have the stringer in there twice. So there's two different options for creating a stringer automatically on the drawing. Hope this helps. Alright. Thank you.